Your TSA lock is jammed and you're unable to open your suitcase. Here's what you can do to gain access to your case now your new lock is on the way. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. First, carefully remove the zip pulls using pliers or a flathead screwdriver by gently opening the kissing point of the clasp. Once removed, you can access your suitcase. Next, locate the back of the TSA lock within the suitcase and unscrew the backing plate to remove the stuck or broken lock. When your new lock arrives, you can replace it by screwing it back into place. Then slide on the new zip pulls before carefully closing the kissing point again with the pliers. Set your desired combination following the lock's instructions, and for more information on setting your TSA lock, check out our lock guide. And now your new TSA lock is installed and secure.